Toddlers are so active. The questions parents are often asking is what kind of play will help them focus and develop. That's what the Toddler Movement Mini Kit is made for. Your toddler will need to use both their fine motor and their gross motor skills to send the ball down the wooden ball and roll ramp. They'll explore motion, direction, and sound with this fun wooden ramp and 2 rattle balls. Listen to how fun this is. And look at that. The ball rolls away. Your child will get lots of practice chasing, squatting, and reaching. Your toddler wants to do what you do, but you can't always give them your keys or wallet to play with. My First Wallet is a pincer challenge to zip and fill, paired with the fun of pretend play with wooden coins and cute cards. The Big Kid Ball is the perfect ball for this stage. It's big, soft, and light. It works great for encouraging big body movements. The My First Words board book helps you and your child practice common first words in a relatable story about a toddler's day. You can practice words like baby, no, owie, and woof woof, bye-bye. Everything is designed to work together to support your baby's development.